Definitely Farófias for Christmas. By the way, my voice. Oh, this cold kills me, right? It is so cold. Okay, so forgive me, but let's say that is a sexy Christmas voice, right? So mom always makes many recipes with yolk, with whites, with egg whites. We're going to make this beautiful recipe. We have farófias in the channel, but once more, mom did everything by herself. Beautifully, as always, so delicious. Sometimes we eat it like this on top of a pie or with a beautiful milk custard we make. So let's talk about the ratio. Ratio has been always like 1 spoon of sugar for 1 egg and a pinch of salt. Lately, mom has been using 1 egg and then a half spoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. So it's up to you because it's according to your taste. So between 1 spoon of sugar, half spoon of sugar, like Gordon Ramsay says, taste. Just understand what is your particular taste and how do you like it. So it's perfect to add a 1 spoon of sugar or half a spoon of sugar. You decide. Mom already dropped all of the whites inside the bowl. Mind your beautiful ears because now we're whisking for approximately 5 minutes until stiff peaks. I am confirming that is half spoon of sugar or 1 spoon of sugar for 2 egg whites. A tiny pinch of salt helps to stabilize the egg whites. Uma colher. E agora, mamãe, como é que me vê que está pronto?
Então, é assim.
Não, espera ao contrário. Então, é assim. Ele não cai. Portanto, vira-se e não cai. White won't fall. O rapinha está ali naquela... Está...
Este é para lá. Este é para aqui. Já está confuso. Como é que se tira?
Que é? É a mamãe que nos espera. Estava torto. São farófias da mamã. Just so simple. It's amazing. Dá cá. Ama leva. Here they are, glorious and ready to go to the oven. They will get golden inside the oven, and we only take them out when they're cooled down. Otherwise, they might drop. Bem bonitas. Absolutely perfect. Look how beautiful. Farófias de Natal. And of course, the best part is tasting it. Look at that. Sweet clouds. Perfect.